Hello everyone, welcome back to Olympiad Math Explorers. If you love math tricks and shortcuts, you are in the right place. Today I am going to show you an amazing trick that will help you multiply any numbers 11 by 11 in just few seconds without any calculators. Just mind it, without any calculator. So today we are going to start an explanation that how to multiply any number by 11. So let's start. So how have you ever wondered that how some people solve some that 47 multiply by 11 in just few seconds, like it 2 or 3 seconds. If we multiply 324 by 11, they will provide you the answer in few seconds. So we are going to achieve that explanation in a very quick and short manner. So let's start with a simple example. Previously, or I think you already known the multiple table of 11, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If we multiply those by 11 like this, first we are writing like this. Okay, and it's very simple, like we need to write that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, simply that way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And simply same we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now for 10 we have to just remove this one, so we will get 110. Now we get the multiple table of 11, like if we multiply 11 by 1 we get 11. If we multiply 2 by 11 we get 22. If we multiply 3 by 11 we get 33. If we multiply 4 by 11 we get 44. If we multiply 5 we get 55, and same as 66, 67, 68, 69, 11, sorry, 110. Now make sure that the you will see and watch the video till the end, because I'll be sharing some special tips and tricks that will be make you multiplication master. So in our first example we take that 47, that 47 multiply by 11. So for simply this we need to write that 47 like 047. Okay, after that we need to write like multiply by 11 equals to, so first we need to write this one 7, this 7 multiply, or just write the 7 here. Okay, now we have to add like this, that if we add 4 and 7 we get 4 and 7, if we get 11, that one will be here, and we have carry 1. Now we have to write add that 4 and 0. If we write 0 and 4 and add it, we get 4, and here we have also carry 1. So adding this carry to 4, so 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Now we have to write 5 here. So we get the answer, that if we multiply the classical method, that 47 cross 11, we get the answer like this: 47 and 47. We get 7, 1 and 5. So this is the answer. We get one in a single line. Simple. If you want to multiply that 340 by 11, we simply write first that one: 0, 3, 2, 4 multiply by 11. It will be, now we can write here. First we have to write this one, that 4. We have to start from the right side. So we have to write from the right side. Now we have to add this one first. So 4 and 2, if we add this one, we get 6. Now if we add these two, we get 3 and 5, 6. And if we add 0 and 3, we get this one. So 3, 5, 6, 4. Now if we multiply this to 1 for verification, we get like 3, 2, 4 and 3, 2, 4. If we add like this, 6, 5, 3, so we get 3, 5, 6, 4. Here 3564. The result is same. So we can calculate or multiply by 11 very easily and quickly. Let's take another example. Okay, if we want to multiply 500 to 12 into 11, so we have to write just in like this: 0, 5, 1, 2. And if we multiply this by 11 like this, so for this we have to just start from the right side, like 2, the last digit here. And now we have to add this first, that is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, and 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. That is the answer in a simple manner. We are going to take a longer example, like we just want to multiply 4, 3, 5, 2 into 11. So in the above manner we have to write just 0, 4, 3, 5, 2 cross 11. So for this, first we have to start from right side 2. After that we have to add that 2 plus 5, 7, 5 plus 3, 8, 4 plus 3, 7, 0 plus 4, 4. So that will be the answer. In just few seconds we can write the answer. In just few seconds we have to answer. So if you more practice, you will get the answer very quickly. Let's start with a bigger example, like 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 multiply by 11. Now first we write that 4, 6, 7, 0, 3. We just write 0 in front of that digit, that number. So that will be 0, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 multiply by 11. Now we have to start from the right side, that is 9 here, and we have to add 1 by 1. That we have, if we add 8 plus 9, we get 17. That 7 will be there, and we have carry 1. Now we have to add that 8 plus 7, that is 15, and we have already one carry, that is 1, that is 16, that will be 16. Now that 6 digit will be there, and we have already one carry 1. So again we have to add this to 6 plus 7, that is 13. Now we have already carry 1, that will be 14, and that 4 will be there. and 1 will be carry. Again we have to add that 6 and 4, that is 10, and carry is 1 here. If we add 1 with that 10, we get 11. That 1 will be there and we have carry 1. Now 4 and 0 is equal to 4 and that carry is equal to 1, that is 5. Like 5 1 4, that is 1. So if we add this or memorize this one without not doing here, then we get the answer, that is 5 1 4 6 7 9 very quickly, very easily and very quickly. Let's do another one example, like 4 6 9 5 multiply by 11. Again we have just write 0 4 6 9 5 and 11. So according previously assumption, we have to start from right side and the last digit is 5, so I write here. Again we have to add this one, 9 and 5 is equal to 14, carry 1, 9 and 6 is equal to 15, and if we add that carry we get 16, 6 here and carry 1. If we add these two, 1 4 and 6 10 and carry 1, so that is 11. So here we add 1 and we have already carry 1, so 4 and 0 5 6 sorry 4 and 0 add 4 and carry 1 is equal to 5, so that will be the answer. So we get the answer very quickly if we assumption that one very quickly. We just remind that last the example we are going to, for the last example, that is 1 2 3 by 11. Simple, we have to write like this, 0 1 2 3 multiply by 11. We have to start from the last digit like 3, and if we add this one, 3 plus 2 5 and 1 plus 2 3, 0 plus 1, that is the answer. So the more you practice, you will be faster, will get. Try to yourself and comment below if you get any the correct answer. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Bye for the next time.